This is going to be a quick walk around tour on the 1985 Grady white boat and trailer. Really poor video quality, so excuse me. Sorry about the wind noise too. Starting up at the trailer, this is a wonderful heavy duty trailer with zero rust or rot. This coupler up here, this is like one of those clam shell style ones. It's brand new as you can see, and it's only held on with this one bolt, but anyway, I towed it, it towed fine. You can put another bolt if you want to. Jack works. Let's go here. It's gonna need a new winch cable. You can see I got it kind of tied up on there. This is got all nice rollers. They're all in good shape on the bottom of here. And look at the thickness of this metal. Like this trailer is no joke. Leaf springs, not all rotted out. The axles. I mean, the big value in this boat is honestly the trailer. But the boat itself, I was hammering away on the bottom with my fist. Didn't find any soft spots at all down there. As far as trailer tires over on this side, they're actually in great shape. Galvanized wheels too. Lights are there, but you know, there's no wiring on the front. So it does have brakes on both axles. I believe, oh, okay, just the front axle. And it has like a flush kit too for, you can pull it out of the water. I'll show you that on the other side. Anyway, the motor, Mercury oil injected Black Max, 200 horsepower. I popped the cover off and it was locked up. I'll show you under the cover here. The guy said this ran fine 5 years ago, so it's probably not going to take much to break her loose. It's actually in gear right now too. I'll show you all that when we jump inside. Transom, super solid. Like, I don't know. I mean, if you drill holes, there might be some water in there, but the transom on this is straight as far as I can see. And you know, you guys know how much this motor probably weighs, about 350 pounds. You bounce on the back of it and there is zero flex at all in that transom. So that is awesome to see if you're interested in fixing the boat. The tires over here, it looks like car tires. They're the wrong size. They're dry rotted. They need to be replaced. Let's just finish up showing you the trailer. Here's that flush kit I was telling you. So I guess after you come into the salt water, you flush the drum brakes out. How about that? Look at those rollers. You ever look up how much those cost a piece? Even used ones? Okay, that one's split right there, but it's trailer. It's beautiful. Anyway, all right, going back to the boat. This is trying to get you. Sorry about the wind noise, guys. See, he's kind of a junker, but definitely worth fixing. Grady white. Just repeat myself now. Let's hop in here. All right, floors. Nice and sturdy all over here. I mean, no, not soft. Now this is plenty firm, but no, this I actually popped up. It's got an aluminum gas tank, and he has it kind of a couple boards because the piece of plywood inside this cover needs to be replaced. But as far as soft spots anywhere else, not whatsoever. Okay, little bit soft right there. Yep. Inside these. Yeah, no wood at all in that cover. Nice heavy duty. You'll walk up here, do some fishing. Comes with the bimini top. Oh yeah. Got anchor storage. Cleat up on the front. Imagine how good this will look at with a nice pressure wash. Look at that. Am I doing a good job selling it yet? I don't know. Probably not. These windows are unfortunately plexiglass, so at some point somebody went to replace those. I would rather see somebody get glass for that. Walking around this side, the Overnighter 20. Got a plastic seat, the other one missing. I'll show you the controls. So I tried rocking the steering, shifting cable. Well, shifting cable's locked up, and so is the steering. So those will need to be addressed and lubed up. Comes with the toilet, some other miscellaneous wood bits and such. All the windows intact. No water in here. As far as soft spots up here, yeah, I guess you could say that's a little bit softer than it should be, guys. But usable, totally. You know, fix this motor, and you're cruising. Like, it doesn't even have the maximum capacity on there anymore, so you can take as many people as you want. That's how that works. Gauges. I mean, even if you were going to just use this for parts, unbeatable deal for $500, if you ask me. All right, let me pause this. Without taking the covers off fully, there's a glance at the engine. You see the starter Bendix is flung out and locked into the flywheel. I put a screwdriver on there. It was tight. So I don't know why it was seized. It's not my boat. I'm just kind of helping this guy find somebody for it. V200. It's a V6, I believe 2.4 liter, but everything's all intact. You guys know how much these parts are worth. Or repair it and get it on the water. Owner said he does have paperwork for it. However, I don't have it in my hands, so you would be responsible for getting that off of him. I think he said his wife actually has it, and somebody can meet her and grab it, or maybe you can get them to mail it to you. But it is he said a main registration for the boat and the trailer, which should be transferable over to any state. I've never had a problem doing that, but I don't have any paperwork in my hands. $500, trailer, boat. That is a quick tour. Hope you like it. Any questions? Well, I don't know. That should hopefully answer it all for you guys. All right, over out.